Good morning, good morning, good morning. You know, today your Saturday update in case of trading. BTC, yesterday we had this live event with Trump and the summit, but it was not really what we expected, right? Very short. I don't know what to say actually about it. I thought that they were saying some bullish things, that it will do something with price action, but it didn't do anything. Instead, they sweep liquidity again. That's how they do it, 80% becomes bullish, and that's where the big guys jump in. So, my model from my previous video is still valid. That means that we're still in the trade and we're floating around the 786, our entry. Today is Saturday, low volume. Tomorrow there can happen something, right? At the weekly closeout. That means that they can jump in or push the price, or you need to remember, for example, if the higher time frame is still bullish, that means that the market maker will go long and he will jump in on moments people don't expect, right? So I'm expecting something around 5 o'clock at the end of the day, New York time. So that's in the middle of the night, Asia, to expect some price action to the upside. My model is still valid. I'm expecting bullish order flow for BTC. I want to show you what happened yesterday, where we are now, and what we can expect for the coming days. So as I said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and let me clean this chart actually. 86.4k we are now, right? I was expecting that the price will come to the 786. Actually, we came to the 786 again. We retested this 786 again. I will show you. We did not, actually. Let me check, because it was on this sneaky swing low here. Yeah, this was it. So you can see that we touched the 786 perfectly. We came up, we came for sell side liquidity, and now we're dumping again. But this model is still valid, right? I'm expecting it to go to to eventually all-time high again. It's far away, but if we do a top-down analysis on the daily, then you can see that we're still in a bullish order flow, right? If you pull a fib, from this swing low to the top of this wick, then you can see that we're still floating around the 786 that we're holding, right? So we have to close a white candle above this 786. When we grab the RSI, you can see on the 8 hour that we're still crazy bullish, right? So that's positive. You will see upside. That's the thing, and this is also the 786. So don't be afraid. Trust your model. Be patient. You can see we hit it, this 786 perfectly again. We bounced on it, we rejected, we came for sell side liquidity here. Now we're coming back again, we were testing it again. The only dangerous thing about a divergence is that we can expect a liquidity sweep, right? So there's a possibility that they come for sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity to eventually go up. The high time frame is still bullish, so I'm also bullish, but patience is the key. And that's the thing about chasing candles. If you were chasing this, then and you jump in somewhere here, then you're in the red numbers. And because we didn't chase, we're still somewhere around break even now at the moment, right? You can see that we have a market structure shift again. We're creating higher highs and higher lows. So, you know, it's Saturday, low volume, don't expect too much. So that's a little bit it actually, guys. You know, still in the trade, model is still valid. We have a divergence on the 15-minute. We came for the 786 again. And now it's just waiting for volume again. And what I will expect, you know, my take profit was, according to my model in the previous video, I thought 96.4k. 96.4k. So that's where I take profits. But, you know, the thing is, once we snap to sell side liquidity here, it can go very fast, or we reject and we dump crazy to retrace on the 786 again to see more upside and come for sell side liquidity here, or we snap right through it. And that's a little bit the thing, you know. That's why I take profits here. I wait for retracement, enter again, and then we come for sell side liquidity to eventually come back to all-time high. So that's a little bit my Saturday update for you guys. You know, I hope you're all doing very well. I hope you enjoy your Saturday. And, you know, yesterday was a little bit disappointed. You know, we expected something, right? But, you know, that's the thing. When we expect something, usually you will see this kind of thing. So, you know, it's sometimes difficult to stay in the middle, especially when, you know, when you become enthusiastic about Bitcoin future and that kind of things. But guys, you know, the chart tells us everything, right? We're still bullish. I'm expecting price to come to 96.4k the coming week. It's also the second week of the month. For me, my favorite week to trade, also for the third week. So we can expect some things next week, you know? So as that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. I wish you all a very, very, very nice day. And, you know, stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.